On this Okuma machine with the OSP-P200L CNC, we only have the manual control for the cheek conveyor, and we are gonna set some parameters in order to use the M codes M243 and M244 to start and stop the cheek conveyor using that M code on the program. For example, any line here to start and stop the cheek conveyor. So we need to go to parameters, and here you should see the menu number 35. If you don't have that, you have to make sure that you have all the menus enabled. Like let's see, this one can be enabled using the checkbox, as well all this data. Okay, all of them are enabled. So here you just need to enter 35 or go to the menu, and this is the option that we have. So we're going to enable the first option. If it doesn't work, means that you don't have the option on the PLC. So we're gonna check them, all of them. We are gonna leave it the interval. You can set an interval, meaning that the cheek conveyor is gonna be running for, say, something 1 minute and stop 2, or so on. Okay, but we are not gonna enable that. So we don't have a filter. Okay, so these are the parameters that we need to enable. So we're gonna wait until we are able to power cycle the machine and test it. Okay, thank you.